Elementary OS 8. Privacy meets design simplicity. Looking for a Linux desktop that keeps your data in your hands while delivering a beautifully simple interface? Meet Elementary OS 8, codenamed Circle. The latest release, based on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS, with privacy baked into its core and a minimalist design that just works. Circle sets a new standard for ethical, elegant computing. Privacy built in, not bolted on. Elementary OS 8 introduces secure session on Wayland, ensuring every app asks for your explicit permission before accessing resources. Under the hood, portals protect your privacy by gating features like screenshots, screencasting, and color picking behind clear consent dialogues. The new AppCenter is a curated marketplace of open source, privacy respecting applications. No ads, no trackers, and no hidden data collection. You even choose what you pay developers with its pay what you want model. First class Flatpak integration lets each app run its own sandbox. So a note taking app can't sneak into your camera or files without permission. And because there is zero hidden telemetry, you control exactly when and what data is sent back. Nothing ever leaves your machine without your say so. A refined, minimalist interface. At the heart of Elementary OS 8 is Pantheon, a desktop environment polished to purity. From the redesigned dock, which now offers initiative window grouping and multitasking aids, to every system dialog, Pantheon stays consistent and uncluttered. Responding to community feedback, Circle adds a tasteful dark mode plus selection of accent colors. These options let you personalize your desktop without sacrificing visual harmony. There's no endless theming maze, just a few well-chosen looks. Only the essentials ships by default, like files, mail, calendar, and code. No bloatware means faster boot times and lower RAM usage, giving you a clean slate to build the system you actually need. Now, performance that feels snappy. Design simplicity isn't just cosmetic, it's functional. Elementary OS 8 brings smoother animations thanks to optimizations in the window manager, shrinks the memory footprint of core components, and launches key apps more quickly, even on older hardware. Circle feels light and responsive from the moment you log in. Now finally, the conclusion. With privacy protections seamlessly woven into the experience, a refined yet intuitive interface, and performance turned from modern and modest machines alike, Elementary OS 8 is a standout for anyone who values both form and function. Whether you're making the move from macOS, Windows, or another Linux distro, give Circle a try and rediscover the joy of computing on your own terms. If you found this overview helpful, hit like and subscribe for more Linux deep dives. Drop a comment below. What feature of Elementary OS 8 excites you the most? That's it for the video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace out.